Alright guys, as you can see, this is ROG Strix Asus laptop, and recently we do have some issues with the overheating and the fan makes really loud noise. Okay, so what are you gonna do? We're gonna replace the fan, include the heat sink. Alright, it was pretty difficult to get the actual right part because when I search with the fan only, I don't find any. Technically the heatsink doesn't have any issue, only the GPU and CPU fan does have issue. But however, I was able to get this part for almost similar price, which is around £34. Let me tell you the model number again. ROG Strix GL503. So let's replace the whole unit. As you can see, the replacement fan and heatsink comes with the actual thermal pad, so we don't need to apply any thermal paste. So first of all, we need to take out all the screws, all of them almost similar Phillips screws, but very careful because I found the screws quality are pretty bad. Okay, so make sure you do have the right screwdriver. If you don't have the right one, either the small or little bit bigger, that could lead you to damage the screw, so be careful. So I'm going to take one by one and we're going to get into the actual motherboard by pulling out the back cover. Okay, there are a few screws on the edges, as you can see, and one of them hidden. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's carry on until the end and see how it goes. End of the job, I was successful. I checked the heat and temperature label into the BIOS and I found everything is pretty cool. So let's enjoy the rest of the video, and still if you do have any question, please make sure you leave it in the comment section. And please, if you do like the video, I would request you to subscribe to this channel.